Talk to you later. Okay.
UTembo ongusomabhizimusi ulethemba lokuthi uzanqoba ngoba eyamukelwe izakhamuzi zalelo dolobho.
Because these people failed before, they can't do anything. So it's very much resonating, and I think we're going to make a change, and they love the idea.
uMeya okwamanje uMnu Poloski osephethe lesi sikhundla okwamahlandla amathathu ucutshungulwa ngamapholisa kulandela ubufakazi bokuthi wachaphaza imali yomkhankaso wakhe. Uyalilandula leli cala kodwa ukhangelelwe ukuthoniswa emthethwandaba ngenyanga kaZibandlela. Lokhu sekuphe ithemba lokunqoba kulabo abampikisayo ababalisa uMnu Tembo. Kodwa impawu eziningi ezibalisa ukucubungula kwembono kaZulu zitshengisa uTembo esemsileni kulabo abancintisayo. Idolobho leAllentown lihlala lingelama Democrats kukhetho. Isiphathamandla somkhankaso kaTembo uMnu Francis Mawindi uthi izakhamizi zeAllentown zamukele uTembo ngezandla zombili.
Allentown has got an unemployment rate of about 7.5% compared to a regional average of 4.9%, and also
uMnu John Richard Ingram owayisiphathamandla seCommission yalelo dolobha ngomunye oncintisa ezimele njengoTembo. Kuthi ibandla lama Republicans limelwa nguMnu Nat Heyman okubhizimusi lokuthengisa izindlu lezakhiwo. Esinye isiphathamandla somkhankaso kaTembo uMnu Recon Ziegler uthi umkhankaso kaTembo wamukelwe ngabanengi.
I know we're going to win because everyone we talk to they're tired of the problems in Allentown, the senseless killings, the drugs going around, people dying. We have people right across the street at the bus station.
Umthwalo unzima kakhulu uMnu Tembo, kodwa uthi yena kasoze alahle imbeleko ngokufelwa. Nise ePennyslvania igama uChris Gande.